This is Pazuzu.
Pazuzu, you ungrateful gargoyle!
Pazuzu is our demon gargoyle dog and a very bad boy. Did you poop upstairs, huh? He even pooped in my son's Lego. You a bad boy? He's lucky he's cute. I can't stay mad at you. So this little demon dog here, he gets cold, even in Texas. So I'm gonna have to make him a coat. I found this dog coat pattern online. I'll put the link in the description. So all I have to do is measure him and then figure out what I'm gonna make the coat out of. Now, since he is my evil little critter, I thought maybe I would make him a coat out of fur from a Krite. They're the evil little balls from Critters. I know it's weird, but it's what I want to do, so I'm going to do it. I have to find something that looks like Krite fur. Oh my gosh. And then, like, I don't know, skin a Krite and make a coat out of it. I don't know. I think maybe I'm going insane on this one. Nothing to see here. Just somebody going insane. Here's what we're gonna go with. So first we're gonna see if he will let me measure him. Was that? Okay, let's see. 5 inches. I used those measurements to create a pattern. So then I'm going to cut out a flannel base for the underside of the coat that the fur will somehow get connected to. So it'll be the inner lining. He did not want to hold still for the camera. I tried, but this base fit him. The dimensions and proportions actually fit him. I'm going to try to troubleshoot how I'm going to attach the fur. Not quite sure yet, but I'm going to figure it out. Here is the fabric that I got from the thrift store. It does have a lining attached, so I'm going to just kind of rip it off. It's like cutting through all the muscle to get to the hide. Oof. God, it's so dusty and hairy and gross. Oh, yes. Okay. I can keep it down there. After a lot of nightmarish trial and error, I decided to double up the flannel layer and just stitch the hide straight onto the exterior. I'm actually going to sew this onto this. I know that I will have to cut this off of it, but I do not want this fur going under my sewing machine here. Oh my God. There we go, yeah. Okay, and let's see if it fits. Ready? Whoop. It's a little big, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's so big on you. I just need to bring the Velcro in and it'll be tight enough on him. It's just a little bit big right now with these straps, but that's super easy to fix. I want to add another small detail that kind of makes it look more like it's from a critter. So occasionally in the movie, you see the Krite's red eyes, and that's all that you see, like in the darkness. So I thought it would be kind of cool to create some eyes using clay. I'm gonna bake them and then I'm gonna paint them. Well, there goes that idea. And then I'm gonna see how they look on that fur. So the eyes should go right around here. I realized it's missing one final touch. And just out of curiosity, I grabbed some felt and I made some teeth to go around the inside side of the neck. Oh my gosh. This is possibly the worst thing, most ridiculous thing I've ever made. But it's making me laugh, so that's gotta count for something. Okay, so it took a while, but I'm almost done. I have the eyes. I put the eyes on and something just seemed to be missing. And I realize it's because the Krites have this big brow. And so I scavenged and found some old shorts. And I just made this kind of like brow ridge out of shorts and some just stuffing and some wire. So it holds its shape. It creates this kind of brow. Yeah, there we go. Come here, good boy, come here. Okay, let's do this, let's do this. Oh my gosh, he's being eaten! He's being eaten! Do you like your coat? So there you have it. My dog getting eaten by a Krite. Oh, it's so ridiculous. Oh, good boy.